Splat the cat takes the cake. Hi everybody, welcome to my Jimmy Henry's Universe. Today we're going to help work on my AKE words. This is the chart that my mommy made. And here's the word AKE. Let's get started. Bake, cake, make, rake, take. Check out the end of this video to see how we make this cool chart. Now we're going to go over some words that is in our Splat the Cat book. Here we go. Lake, milkshake, snake, cake, bake, mistake, make, earthquake, take, shake. Alright everybody, thanks for watching, like and subscribe, bye!
First, you want to print out or write out all the letters of the alphabet, and then you can also pick whatever blend or word families that you want to use. Once they're printed out, you'll want to cut them into strips, and you can either laminate or use contact paper. For our word family, we just cut a little hexagon inside just to keep it cute, but you can do whatever shape you want to, and then whenever you're ready, your kid can build their word.